Hi everyone, welcome to Narayana's amazing assignment session for grade 3. Today's our assignment is from living and non-living things textbook activity which you can find in the page number 13. Today's our activity is about to write the T for true statement or F for false statement. Few statements are given, we have to identify which is true and which is false. If it is a true statement, we will put letter T, and if it is a false statement, we will put F. Okay, we'll start with that. Plants and animals are non-living things. Is it so? Plants and animals, are they non-living things? They are living things. So it is a false statement. So when it is a false statement, we will put a letter F. We'll go to the second one. Animals move on their own. Do animals move on their own? How do you walk? How your pet dog walks? On its own. So it is a true statement. So it is a true statement. We will put letter T. Moving on to the third question. Plants breathe through tiny holes called gills. Yes, it is true that plants have tiny holes in their leaves. But do we call them as gills? No, not at all. They are not gills. Gills are the breathing organs of fish. For plants, they are stomata. So, the statement given here is a false statement. So, the option is F. Moving on to the next question. Green plants make their own food. Do plants prepare their own food? Yes, plants prepare their own food. So, the statement is true. Now, coming to the last one. Non-living things reproduce. Have you ever seen your pencil giving birth to a new pencil or a chair giving birth to a new chair? No, they cannot. Why? Because they are non-living things. Non-living things will not reproduce. So our statement given here is false. Moving on to the next question. Write L for living things and N for non-living things. L for living things and N for non-living things. Here some pictures are given. Identify which is living thing and which is non-living thing, and if it is a living thing, we will put letter L, and if it is a non-living thing, we put a letter N. Moving to the first one. What do you see here in the first one? We see a inflated balloon. A balloon is given here which is filled with air. Is it a living thing or non-living thing? It is a non-living thing. So we will put letter N. Second image shows us a fish. A fish is a living thing. It is an aquatic animal. It is a living thing. So we put letter L for living thing. It is instructed here. Moving on to the third picture, we see a basket here which we carry vegetables, we put fruits in it. So it is living or non-living? It is a non-living thing. So we have to write letter N. Now fourth one, it is a rat. Rat is a living thing. We will put letter L. Fifth one is chair, and chair is a non-living thing. Sixth image shows a cap that we put on in our winter season. During our winter seasons, we will put this cap. It is a one which protects us from cold. So it is a non-living thing. Next is umbrella, which protects us from rain. So it is a non-living thing. It is also a non-living thing. Bicycle. We enjoy riding bicycle, right? We put a cycle race with our friends also. It is a living thing or non-living thing? It is a non-living thing. I enjoyed a lot. Ninth one is a tree which gives fruits to us. It is a living thing. 10th one is a sparrow, a bird. It is a living thing. So we have identified the living things and non-living things. You know how do we identify a living thing and non-living thing? How can we differentiate that? We have already discussed in the earlier classes. Hope you have understood what are living things and non-living things, and we'll meet again. Thank you.